Man, this summer is a scorcher, but you can stay cool anywhere with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Man, it is hot out, and even a little breeze helps reduce the temperatures. Man, oh, feels so good. You get the wind in your hair even on a hot, muggy day like it's been. So I picked this up because this is by TORRAS, and I think I've had like headphones and stuff from them before, but this is a bladeless hanging neck fan. So I thought I would check this out because this is something that you can kind of take anywhere. You can go sit out at a sporting event if they're allowed in your area, maybe sit on the tee box at a golf course, maybe just sit in your backyard, whatever. But a lot of places don't have air conditioning. You can't take a fan with you. And so this is basically a personal cooling system, if I might call it that. And what you can see here is it's pretty sleek looking. Now, I have shown you in the past kind of a neck fan, and they have actually big fans on the bottom, almost like small drone fans. And so they're pretty loud. They're kind of big, they get attention, and this looks much different, much sleeker. In fact, what you can see here is we have these metal panels on the side, so it has a very modern, high-tech look, and they are very shiny. I just took the plastic off of them, so it says TORRAS right on there. We have one on both sides, so they kind of look like a high-end headphone. Plastic construction, a matte white finish. They're actually pretty light. There's a little bit of weight up here, and what you can see here is we have little blades in here, so it's actually more of like a turbine than it is a fan. And so you can see, you know, these are maybe about 1 inch wide on either side, but it doesn't look like much. And what I can tell you is that this piece right here, which is maybe a silicone wrap around kind of a metal wire, you can see it's adjustable for big or small necks, so you can do that. We do have a micro USB port right there for recharging, and then we have little holes all on the top, and then a power button right here. So if I just hold that down, see the little light goes on. Oh, and I can feel it blowing. Okay, so what's happening here is it's actually drawing air in here and blowing it out through these little vents on the top. So if I just put this on like this, oh my gosh, it's actually blowing air up the side of my head, which is great. And I'm just going to tap the button here. So it goes up to medium and then high. Not sure if you can see that, but it's really blowing. And I will show you. The sucker's blowing. All right. So what's also interesting about this is I can kind of adjust it so that the air is blowing right across my face. This feels really good. It's actually chilling me down quite a bit. But what's also interesting is I'm kind of curious if I took it and turned it around like this and kind of put it inside the collar of my shirt, would it blow down into my shirt? You know, that kind of works too. But I'll tell you what, blowing up and across my skin like this is where it's really working. I'll be honest, I didn't expect it to work this good. Man, this actually feels great. Hey, if you go outside and you just don't like being hot, and I tell you what, particularly on muggy days when there's a lot of humidity in the air, you actually can get a really nice cooling effect by having moving air, because the moisture on your skin and on the surface of your body will wick away heat as air is moving over it. As the water evaporates, it's actually using energy and it will cool you off. And so I think actually on those really hot muggy days, this is going to feel pretty amazing. And again, you can kind of adjust it to your liking here. So low, medium, high, and then the fourth tap, it goes off like this. But as you can see here, it doesn't look obnoxious. It's actually pretty small, and it's drawing air in here and blowing it up here. That is pretty crazy. I actually really dig this thing. I can't wait to share this with my friends to show them what it's like. Dude, I'm actually blown away by this. Way more than I thought it was going to be. This is not gimmicky at all. This actually really works. Hey, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.